Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Today, you're getting 3 killer keyboard shortcuts that are sure to help you work faster and be more productive. I'll explain each one and how to do it, whether you are a Mac or Windows computer user, give you a quick summary of research on why you should be using these shortcuts, and then a quick wrap up. Here we go. Number 1. Toggle between open windows of the same app, whether you're using Excel, Word, Pages, Numbers, whatever that is. These shortcuts will allow you to toggle between those open windows. For Mac users, use Command plus the tilde. Tilde key is that key right below your escape key in the upper left-hand corner. And it'll allow you to alternate between open windows of a single application. For example, if you have 3 different Keynote files open, this will help you flip between them. Windows users, Alt plus Tab. This will show you the windows rather than the app icon. Number 2, take a screenshot to show anyone what you're talking about. I use this all the time, and I'm not only going to give you how to do it, but also how to annotate it. For Mac users, Command-Shift-3. This is going to capture the entire window you're viewing and saves the file to your desktop. If you want to adjust what you want to take the screenshot of, you can use Command-Shift-4. Command-Shift-4, and then you can drag it, let go, and it will save it to your desktop. For Windows users, print screen for the whole screen, or use Control plus print screen for the current window. If you want to adjust what you are going to take a screenshot of as a Windows user, you can also use Windows plus Shift plus S, and that's going to allow you to adjust what to take that screenshot of. Now, once you've got the screenshot, annotating it is key because then you can put what you're talking about with an arrow and or text. For Mac users, find the screenshot that will have saved to your desktop, usually, unless you've changed where you save these screenshots. Open it in the Finder, and then annotate it directly from Preview by clicking on the pen egg icon up top. After annotating it, remember to hit Command-S. That's Command-S to save it, and that becomes part of your saved files. For Windows users, I recommend downloading Snip and Stitch from the App Store. It comes with some sweet keyboard shortcuts and will help you annotate your screenshots. Number 3, type a URL into the address bar super fast. I don't know about you, but I used to find myself grabbing my mouse and having to click into the URL section of my browser. But you can do this much faster with this quick shortcut. This works for all your browsers. Mac, Command-L. This will highlight the address bar in the current window, and then you just type the address. You can also use Command-T, which will open a new tab, and then just start typing the address. Windows users, Alt plus D. This will navigate to the address bar, or Command-E, which will navigate to a search box. And here's a little boost of motivation to get you regularly using these shortcuts. A study from the University of California, Irvine, found that using keyboard shortcuts led to a 21% increase in typing speed compared to those using mouse and menus. Another study by Loughborough University showed that participants who learned keyboard shortcuts for data entry tasks completed them 28% faster and with significantly fewer errors than those who relied on the mouse. Give these keyboard shortcuts a try and see just how much faster and more productive you become when you're on your computer. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.